Molyneux, I completely forgot it was Gene Kelly, of course, who hit the big time with Singing in the Rain. And that's exactly what the Albion fans did after beating Wolves at rain-soaked Molyneux. Because West Brom are top of the pops in the Championship with 3 games left, and Wolves are still 3 points outside the playoffs with a game in hand. It might have been the onions, it may have been the burgers, it could even have been the hog roast. But really it was the tasty smell of promotion that hung in the air at Molyneux last night. The Wolves fans got a whiff of the playoffs, but the West Brom players arrived with an appetite for automatic promotion. Another trip to Wembley holds little appeal when there's a place in the top 2 up for grabs. It was an exciting game on a greasy pitch and Albion created more chances. Kevin Phillips hit the post, and almost immediately the same player showed exactly why he believes he deserves a new 2-year deal. Great skill, pinpoint pass, and Sultan Gira could hardly believe his luck. Darren Gibson brought a smart save from Dean Kiley, but Wolves lacked the cutting edge, and the better team came out on top. The referee had a great game too, and got a kiss to prove it from the Albion defender Neil Tennant.
If we play rubbish and being beaten off the park, then I think everybody could be despondent and rightly think, well, that's it, no chance. But having played like that, then I think we can come back to the remaining games and still believe that we can get the playoffs, because I do, and another player.
Pride, passion, everything was it, a great atmosphere, and we knew if we won tonight, we've got an excellent chance of going on to get promoted. So, it's a very happy dressing room at the moment.
Especially win that derby game away from home, 1-0, and the season just 3 games left. We go back to the top, so then not 3 games left.
Life's pretty good for West Brom right now.
Yeah.
With 3 games remaining, Albion wouldn't dream of talking about promotion. As for Wolves, they've got 4